Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm working on this one, the Chevy Tahoe 2015. No, I believe 2019. But they are same, 2015 to 2019 and also 20. So the problem here is when I guys show you how to get the code. If you are using the Lishi, which is the Lishi here, the HU 100, and those kind of Lishi, it has two. If you are looking to buy it on UHS, some of them they have the 8 bitting and this one has the 10 bitting. Okay, so the 8 bitting is for those Camaro, Impala, Malibu, the HU, and that one actually is for the Silverado also. They work on it, and Tahoe and some big cars. So in order to get the code, if you're using the door only has technically I think only 5 bitting. The lines start from 5 to 10, I believe the rest is empty. And here if you use it to the ignition, the same thing. I think you have 10 and 9 and 7 are missing. You cannot find it here, so you need the 10 code. Okay, so the easy way to get the code is to take the ignition off, and in order to take the ignition off you have to turn the ignition on and use the Lishi. This Lishi will turn the ignition on, and then you take off the cover, and if you see here, right here, just when you turn it all the way to the on position, press this button and it will come out. Alright, and let me show you how. Alright, so I turned the ignition on with the Lishi, and then to take it out you just have to put screwdriver or something here. Just for me, because I couldn't find anything, I used this one here, and I put it right here. What do? You turn the ignition to the on, try to start it, and you press the button while you keep pressing the button, and you pull it out. It will come out just like that. Alright, and the actual code is just right here. Sometimes they put it down here, sometimes they put just the code right here, they engrave it. And sometimes you cannot find it. If you cannot find it, you just disassemble all those, which is easy, and take off this one and take out the pins. See those? One by one, and inside the pin they have the numbers on each one. So you just take them and put them on the machine, it will give you the code. Alright, just to make sure, the code is V4400. Alright, now we go to the machine, we go to automotive, we go all key lost, we look for North American Chevy, and we put the V4400. Right, you just click OK. Alright, you get the code. This is the code, this is the bitting. Just go ahead and put the key in. I already installed the key in, just like that. And you just click cut. Continue. Alright, now this is cutting. while it's cutting the key, so I'm just gonna return this one back to the ignition, and just make sure you see here this one, and where is the button? You see this button here? That one, when you press it, it will come out. So just right here, make sure this one here slide right this way. Okay, just like that. Push it in, and now we twist it back and forth. There we go. Now we cannot. If you want to turn it on again with the Lishi, you can. Alright, let's go test our key. Alright, we got our key, cut it the two sides. It worked perfect. Alright, so now we have to program it. I'm using the Autel IM508S. So let's go auto detect. Oops, I think I chose the wrong. Alright, Chevy. Come on. Right now, every time it required internet, so otherwise it would not. Wow. Before it won't do that. It will decode the VIN. But right now, every time you need internet, so you need a blade key. Alright, now we gotta go, either can go to ISR function and all key loss. If you're doing all key loss, you need two keys. If you want to do add key, you just add in the key, and it will not require it, to the original key, so it's not gonna ask for the original. Click just add, click start, and here required to get the pin code, which is tell them yes. Function, network, communication. Alright, it's connecting. Please switch the ignition on. It's on. Alright, code success. Click OK. Here, do you want to clear the DTS? I prefer yes. Ask me to close the doors. Alright, do you want to start programming? Hit yes. Please close all the doors and the ignition on. Just in case, turn the ignition off and back on. And click OK. Yes, so this is the code. It's already saved it on the memory. Click OK. And now we gotta wait 12 minutes. Most of the time, the 12 minutes will fail after 12, so you just try it again. And try it again. Last time I tried 3 times, and the 3rd time it picked. Alright, program mode. I just forgot to record, so it did ask me to open and close the door and take the ignition. You just follow the alright, what it's saying, and you see here drive 3 for memory future. So hey,
I know you're busy right now, so
alright, so now We just click OK. So say current key match. You just wanna make sure, because if you see the security light is always on, and sometimes when I do it, well, just click, you wanna key complete matching, do you wanna match the next one, you just click no. And switch the ignition off and remove the key and click OK. And here open and close the door. See where it's saying the message was showing the third keys program on the memory. Click OK. Alright, switch the ignition on. Switch the ignition off. The ignition on. Here we go. Number of key 3. So, and here, do you want to start remote control? Well, click yes. I want to program a control for it. Switch the ignition on. Okay. The remote control also has a separate function. If you missed it from here, you just go to control unit. So here you will ask you all the controls will delete. Click yes. And now, so this is the control. You press the lock and unlock button together and you hold them until you hear the sound. Try again if you couldn't hear it. Nothing yet. But you hold it, it's like for 6 seconds. If you couldn't hear it again, just keep it trying. Sometimes those aftermarket keys is headache. Nothing. Alright, look like it's not gonna work, maybe battery or something, but anyway, we'll do it later. Click OK. Alright, so the key is success. Just exit. And by the way, if you see the security light, if it never went off, just don't panic. Go to the battery, disconnect the battery for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then try to start. And we'll clear it. And also, if you want to do the control, just exit. You go to the control unit, and you go to remote system and remote learning. Alright, that's it. And you try your control again. And this one didn't work, probably battery or something. I'm gonna check it. Okay guys, this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and peace.